Some of them must have completed their course, but these are new members. Okay. It will be nice if you can keep your videos on because that is very, very important for me to deliver very, very efficient and effective learning session for all of you. So welcome Surya, Abhay. How are you
Good morning,
doing?
ma'am. Good morning.
Good morning. Very good morning. Very nice to see you, Shalini, Mohini. Yeah.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Pramod. Very good morning. Where are you, Pramod? Are you in Himachal somewhere? Yes, Pramod. Where are you?
I'm in Uttarakhand, ma'am.
Ah, Uttarakhand. I can make out that. Yes. Praveen, where are you? Oh, Shalini is near beach, I suppose. Shalini, or that's your virtual background, or that's a poster which you are having.
Oh, this is my bedroom actually.
So behind there is a nice photograph or scene. Something is there, I suppose.
No,
Great.
no, just a
That
bed,
ah,
just a wall.
okay. So it is showing it like that.
Okay.
Excellent. So those people who have joined today new, I just would like to have a 30-second introduction from your side. Uh, very important is your name. Second is where are you from? Third is what's your experience? And fourth is the objective of joining this course. Okay,
Yes.
so that will help me to deliver my best, and we will keep it in mind. What is your objective?
Okay. So I would like to start.
Yeah, Shalini.
Yeah. So I'm Shalini Thakur, and I'm from Gwalior, basically. And I have experience of 1.6 year, and 6 months I have worked in Jeevansati.com, and and 1 year experience in eClerks Mumbai in HR as a HR analyst.
As a HR analyst, you had.
And
Okay.
my objective of joining this is just to enhance my skills so that I can, like, because of lockdown, I had we had a with company I had a contract of 1 year.
Okay.
So, yeah, so my contract get over, so
Hmm.
I thought to skill myself, so I thought to join something like this so that I
Good.
can upgrade myself.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's great to know. Yes. Anyone else, please?
Okay, I'll start. Myself, Mohini Sinha, and I'm basically from Ranchi. And I have 3.8 years of experience in advertising and HR both.
Both. Okay.
Yeah. After that, I have taken a break of almost 6 years, and now I want to restart my career in HR only.
How long you had a break?
6 years, just because of
Okay.
marriage and
Okay.
kid, I have to take this break.
That's perfectly all right. Very nice. So I just wanted to reconfirm that. Yes, Rinki.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Rinki Kaur. I'm from Guwahati. I have a 3 years experience of CA articleship. I dropped CA in 2019, and then I started preparing for banking exam. But due to COVID, I could not carry it forward. And
Mhm.
so now I'm planning for a career change in HR or PR job.
Okay, from banking to HR.
Yes, ma'am.
So this question will be there till the time you get enough experience in HR.
Yes, ma'am.
So
I know
why
that.
why so why there is a shift?
Ma'am, because in PR, basically there's some like similarity with taxation and all. That's why I have decided to shift to PR, I mean HR or PR job, whichever is suitable for me.
Okay, Rinki. Fine.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, who would like to go next?
Yeah.
Uh,
Hi, ma'am. I'm Swati.
Mhm.
Actually, my story is a bit similar to Rinky's. I was pursuing CA. I've done my 3.5 years articleship of CA, but I dropped it. I dropped it like long back. I dropped it in 2014. Um, then I was working with the hospital as an eye donation counselor. It's been almost 4 years now that I've been working with them. And but presently I was planning to shift my career towards HR because honestly speaking, the present job I'm working in does not have much enough scope for growth.
Mhm.
So that's the reason I chose to do this course, so that I can get the basic knowledge of, the working area of an HR personnel.
Okay, that's great. That's good to know. Welcome,
Thank you.
Swati. Yes.
Thank you.
Anyone else? Surya, please go ahead, Surya.
Yes, yes. So myself, I'm Surya, and I'm basically from Hyderabad. So I have nearly like 2 years of experience into the HR domain itself. So I was been working as a recruiter initially, and then got into the HR executive, whereas in taking a part in the delivery side of the recruitment. And now I just wanted to get into as in now I'm comfortable with the recruitment. So I just wanted to get in the next step of the HR
Very
domain, whereas in
proactive.
like
I must say,
yeah,
very proactive.
so I just want the next stage, which is like HR journalist, to understand the payroll and invoice and all. So looking forward to understand.
Sure. Very nice. I really appreciate when you have your career planning, on paper. I think these are the steps you take it proactively and prepare for the next level. So that's very
Yes,
nice,
thank you.
I will say. Yes, Praveen.
Yes, ma'am. Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Praveen.
I am having 19 years of experience in
I think we have spoken,
BFSI.
right, Praveen?
Yes, yes. I was in HR analytics also.
Yes, you completed that.
Yeah, I have
Oh,
completed that. So I had word with Rahul sir. So he said that I was also keen to understand the comp and ben part of HR. So I had word with sir. So he said that okay, you join the HR generalist. So it will give you overall domain knowledge of HR.
amazing. So, yes, so Praveen, I know you very well. Your profile is by heart. So, but you can introduce to the team. You know.
Yeah, so I'm having 19 years of experience in various domain of BFSI, and in my last assignment, I was working as a HR senior manager HR and dealing with HR analyst profile.
Great. Welcome, Praveen. It is really nice, and we look forward for experience sharing from your side as well whenever we will discuss a lot of things. Okay.
Thank you,
Anyone
ma'am.
else is remaining? Anyone? Pramod, Vaishali has joined now. Renju has joined now. Yes. Anyone?
Okay, I'll go.
Okay,
I'm
Rohit.
Rohit. Yeah, I'm Rohit, and I'm from Bangalore. And I have customer relations and operations experience of 2 years. And currently, I'm working with Amazon, and currently, I'm working with the payroll team. So my future plans is to become a HRBP. So I thought I would start off with the HR generalist profile, working with and knowing the knowing and working with all the verticals of HR. So that's why I thought I'll go ahead with the certification.
Amazing. Very nice. Welcome, Rohit. Just like Surya, you're very clear about your next level. And I will request everyone, now you're in WhatsApp group, do connect with each other on personal window, because that's a network which you take guidelines and, get insights from your classmates. So that will be really great, right? So we have senior people, young people like you who are already sailing in the same boat, right? And you will learn a lot from each other. I'm sure about it. Yes. So can we have quick introduction from Ranju, please?
Hello. Hello.
Yeah.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Myself, Ranchi Yadav. I'm from Raipur. Ma'am, actually, I don't have any idea about HR. I'm totally fresh.
Very nice.
Previously,
You come
I-
like a blank slate then. And the
Yes, ma'am.
responsibility when person comes with a blank slate is very, very high, because whatever I will be writing or we will be writing will make a lot of impact. So that's important. So today is your first day, Ranju?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
It's
So
my
what is the
first class.
graduation or, any other qualification you have done?
Yes, ma'am. My graduation is in BCom and my
Ah.
PG from MBA Marketing. I have done
Acha.
job in events management company as a production executive and admin. And previously, I worked in Central Warehousing Corporation as an assistant accountant.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Great. So you're not fresh. You have idea about how corporates work and all.
Yes,
Excellent. Anyone else who is remaining? So we have Abhay. Abhay comes with a decade of experience in facility management and looking for a job now and career shift in HR. So I know about Abhay. Praveen comes from Indigo. So that is what I know about anyone else. I can give quick 3 minutes we have because it is 10 past 12 till 10:15 we can have. All the new joinees, we will have a briefing session towards the end of the session today so that you will get to know a lot about it, how the course will go, how the modules are, and more details about it. Okay. So without wasting any time, I think let's begin with today's session. As you know, there are 3 different modules and these 3 modules are independent. So it is not like that, you have done one module and now I'm starting today. Nothing like it. First of all, very important, remove one thing from your mind. I'm new. I don't know anything about HR. Nothing like it. We all have worked. There is not a single person like who have not worked one day also. So we have experienced people here. You will be able to relate a lot of things. So today onwards, our session will be starting on SHRM, that is Strategic Human Resource Management, and a lot of different modules will be there. Okay, this very important, especially first module, PMS, that is Performance Management System, will help you on 2 levels. One is, your own, as the HR, you will understand how it works. And very important is, as an employee, as an individual, you will get to know how do you manage your performance. Because those who are having dream of corporate world, if you are not performance driven, then that world is not made for you. Okay, so that is very important. We have to keep it in mind. Everything you will get in life, in corporate world, if you have performance. And what I personally feel, it is not only about corporate world. In life also, if you want anything, without performance, nothing follows. Right? Most of you must be knowing me, especially those who have joined new. I'm Dr. Aparna Sethi, and I'm a founder of ProTouch. So I come with 20 years of experience. I started my career in manufacturing. Sales was my first love and got married to HR. So that is how my life is. So don't worry. There are a lot of transition happens. It's just a matter of time how the transition is. And during transition, we all need to keep lot of patience. Transition at the young age or at the earlier stage of your career is quite easy, but when we move on little higher level, transition may become little tough, but that's perfectly all right. It is not like that you will be never able to transit. Okay, transition will be there. So I work with companies like Bharat Forge, Kinetic Engineering, then I moved to service industry, worked with Datapro Infowell Limited for a very long time, service industry. Then I was in academics. So there I looked after corporate relations, placement officer role, and majorly, developing the executive models, that is MDP, FDPs. That was my role along with some load of teaching. So that is what I love. Over a period of time, I realized that is what is my calling, is corporate training programs. And I started on my own. I'm so glad. Journey of ProTouch is really, really great. On 2nd January, we are completing 3 years, very young company, but the growth which we have seen with the speed is very different. And what I personally feel, the credit or the way we work here is, believe me, it is impacting lives. If you are now with ProTouch, it is never like one class and the relationship is over, but we look forward to help you to take your life on next level. So it is a family which we believe in, and I hope I try my level best, no matter how much we grow. This particular part of our way of working should be there all the time. So that is what we are looking forward. Okay. So I welcome new joinees, and let's begin with today's session, that is Performance Management System. And you will be having 3 sessions on Performance Management System. So that itself will tell you that, how it is important. Okay. So before we begin, I would like to know, what is your understanding you have about PMS?
It's the grading of the employees' performance.
Okay, fine.
It's a way of like managing the employees, their working,
Okay.
how they're working. Like in eClerks, when I was working, I was in a PMS and rewards and recognition only.
Very
So
nice.
there, what my work was, so there was a data which
Hmm.
which was obtained by the system.
Hmm.
So we have to check the data, like the cycles run when employee has to first put their objectives or KRAs on the system. First, they
Hmm.
should know about the KRAs.
Hmm.
They have to actually work in the organization. What are their like key roles, all this, and then they have to perform accordingly. So with PMS, the managers can check their work, can like regulate, not regulate, but they can manage the work. They can judge how they are performing, whether they are performing up to mark or not. So with PMS, their performance can be measured at last.
Okay. Okay. That's a good thing. What else? What else? What do you know about performance management?
Uh, with the performance management, we can
Not to you,
understand.
Shalini. Not to you. You have given enough. Yes. Very nice. Good contribution. Anyone else? Mohini.
Uh, Actually, I have not studied this PMS, but I have Googled it yesterday. So
Uh-huh.
PMS, basically, I thought this is a performance management kind of system. System is there in which the manager or the employer uh, manage the performance of the employee, like if the employee is working well or not, if he needs a kind of uh, new training to perform better, or
Very nice. Okay.
have to
I
give
really
something.
appreciate that you have done some homework. I mean, that's a hats off. I don't know how many of you do that, but that's a really great thing. I have a question for everyone. When do we start performing?
When we have KRAs, when we have objectives.
Okay, when we have KRAs, absolutely. When do we start performing?
It is in the line with the objective KRA and KPI.
Okay.
It is, and the performance is measured through these objectives, KRA, KPIs.
Okay.
And the process we follow, we can say it is a performance management system.
Okay. We have list of accomplishment. Okay. When do we start performance? Ranju? Swati? If you're not comfortable talking, you please use the chat box as well, so that will be comfortable for you, because we will be using everything here on WhatsApp, everywhere we will be using, and then, okay, goals and objectives. So first of all, so now what I personally feel, if you look at performance, we always get attached to corporate world. Am I right? When I will have KRAs, my performance will start. I don't know anything about performance because I don't have a corporate experience.
Ma'am, can I ask a question?
Yeah, Rinki.
Ma'am, what is KRA?
We will get into that. Don't worry. It is a key result areas. Very nice. Keep asking the questions, okay? Key result areas. Today, in fact, we are going to get a lot of insights on that. So if you look at it, performance, we start performance right from our birth, right? And there is sometimes I personally feel that let's not look at our life separate and performance separate at company, because it is observed those people who perform best in their personal life also perform better at work, and in the vice versa, because there are only few techniques, there are certain things people work. Okay, now what do I mean by birth? Like, for example, right from the delivery, like, was it a natural normal delivery or cesarean? When do you start walking? When did you start talking? All the time the performance people are talking about, but they don't talk about the performance. They say, my daughter started speaking very early. Am I right? That is also performance. Do you agree with me? Yes or no? Actual performance starts right at your school age. Why? Because why we are saying actual performance starts at school age?
We see the progress of growing day by
Absolutely.
day.
There is a progress. And can you use a better word for progress?
Growth.
Growth. Okay. Can you use a better word? Still?
We learn new things.
We learn new things. Okay.
Upgrading ourselves. Upskilling.
Okay. Measurement. That is where the measurement starts in life. How did you perform? And please understand, most importantly, now right now what you are talking is performance is equal to progress. Performance is equal to growth. These other words are coming naturally. Am I right? But do you really think so? The performance is equal to growth and achievements and accomplishment, and this will be there always?
Yes.
Performance can be negative. Performance can be below expectations. Are you getting my point? But when we are talking and when we say, we tone is like, for example, hey, Shalini is a performer. And that is where you realize that Shalini's performance is good. So most of the time we use it positively, but performance itself is a neutral word. Am I making sense to all of you?
Yes.
Yes. So now let's have a look at it. In your school age, measurement starts. In college, there is a performance. On professional front, there is a performance. On personal front, there is a performance. Am I right? And what is one common thing in the measurement in school age, colleges, professional front, or personal front? What is the common thing? How do you express performance? For example, Rinki has done better than Praveen. Praveen has done better than Shalini. What is there?
So we are measured on our certain areas of action.
Okay, Shalini, fine. Yes, Surya, what do you think? What is common in all this?
We acknowledge.
Stages.
Acknowledge, okay, okay. Grading, okay. Swati is saying grading, okay.
Everyone is performing.
Everyone is performing, yes.
The
But
performance
how do you
is,
say that the performance is better or not better?
Result?
Result, okay, but how?
There always a competition between
Who is that? Who is saying that?
Mohini.
Yes, Mohini. There is always a competition. And let me tell you, there is another word starting with C. Can you use that word? Can you guess that word? The word is called comparison.
Yeah, comparison.
Getting my point? The word is called comparison. So when we look at performance, very important thing is this, there will be comparison with someone. Gupta ji ka beta, Sharma ji ka beta. Getting my point? And we hate that comparison.
Yeah.
We hate that comparison because you are you. But suppose if you decide one day that, I don't want to get measured and I don't want to get compared with anyone else, you will still compare yourself with yourself.
Yeah.
How I used to do and how I'm doing. Because there is always a measurement and there is always a comparison. Am I making sense?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. And as I said, the performance word is neutral. You will perform without performing also. What do I mean by that? You will perform without performance also. Like, for example, you will communicate without saying a single word.
Through expressions.
Communication is not a choice.
It
Getting
can
my
be-
point? Yeah, Rinki, go ahead.
Ma'am, I said through expressions or body language.
If you don't perform, still you're performing, am I right? I'm not saying the performance will be better, low, whatever it is. It can be negative performance, it can be positive performance, it can be better performance, it can be just equal performance what you have done. Even though, for example, if there is one person who is sitting at home all the time, right, doing nothing, still there is a performance.
Yes.
Yeah, yes. And you have certain things to write about, certain things to talk about. How is his performance? What we are trying to say is that whether you want to perform, you don't want to perform, still you are performing. Just let me know. If you get to know how to perform, how to change your gears, do you think your performance will go up?
Yes.
Yes. Yes. Am I making sense?
Yeah.
Yeah. If you get to know some techniques, yes, and that is called performance management.
Mm.
What are you doing? You're managing your performance.
Mm-hmm.
Your performance is not in auto mode. Are you getting my point? Like, for example, I'll give you the best example, performance management system, best of the best example, you get it from sports team. You're runner, they are also runner. But what is the difference? What is the difference?
Practice.
Practice. Another thing, chalo, you do practice, they do practice. What else?
How they are getting managed?
How are they getting
By
managed? How are they getting
by the
managed,
coaches.
Praveen?
By the coaches.
By the coaching. Are you getting my point? And how Praveen coach them? How do they coach team?
Training.
Training, one is. Another?
Having proper gears.
Care of what?
Having proper gears.
Gears, okay. Having, that means using techniques.
Correct.
Yeah.
Using
Constantly
techniques.
monitoring them.
Constantly monitoring them. Amazing. What else? What else? What coaches do to their team?
Guide them.
Guide them.
Motivating.
Motivate them.
Motivate.
So work on their not only physical but as well as their mental strength.
health.
Am I right? And you talk to any runner, any sports person, the sports person will say it is not the muscle game. It is the mental muscle game. Are you getting my point? Yes. Imagine an Olympic athlete practice for 4 years to run 9-second race. Am I making sense to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
And in that also, the athlete's objective is that I should, do it 1 second more early. And how many years do they perform and practice? And how many times they perform?
Okay.
Once. And in that, they don't want to take any chance. And this is what we are talking about. So please understand, everyone has a competence to perform. But are we managing our performance or we are just flowing or floating like a dead fish? And I'm glad that, when Surya was saying, when someone was saying that, I want to go on HR BP role, and now I'm doing it. Getting my point? I'm telling you, Surya, after 3 years when you will be HR BP, people say, oh, Surya is so lucky, right? Who has seen Surya taking and changing the gears 1 year before? And that is what is the thing. Getting my point? Tell me one thing. When sports people, especially athletes, when they practice, how do they practice? What is their goal?
To learn proper
To be better than the other
come first.
sports person.
Better than the other person. But that means what is there in the mind?
To challenge our own self.
Challenge
Yeah, I was
ourselves
about
means
to say
what?
that.
I'm challenging myself. But
The
still not.
performance is better than the previous record.
So previous record, Rohit, you are right. So what is it there in their mind? They have a
To be the best.
timeline.
Okay.
Best is fine, but for example, Rohit, somewhere we say, oh, I gave my best, but there is some deadline. I will be treated
Okay.
as best when I will complete my race in 9 seconds. Am I making sense to all of you?
Yes.
Setting up
Ma'am,
goals.
basically, yeah. So basically, they have a focus. They are focused. They know what to do.
Abhinav, Swati, we are talking a lot of philosophical thing. Okay. Now we are going to talk what, ground reality. Okay.
Right.
Target. Praveen is saying target. That means I know 9 seconds. Are you getting my point? That means I know where to end. I have end in mind and then I plan. I don't do planning without knowing what I want to achieve. Otherwise, I'll keep running, right? And I will say, hey, I did best. Last time it was 12 seconds. This time I did 11 seconds. But are you really best?
No.
For the rewards, what they get after the completion of the target.
Absolutely. See, let me tell you, Mohini, especially the performers, reward is one thing, Olympic medal is one thing, but what they enjoy is the journey.
Yeah.
What they enjoy is the journey. For them, it is very clear where do they want to reach. I'll tell you a very simple thing. Is there anyone in this group who has taken a journey, say, for example, by bus, by train, by flight, without knowing the destination? That you got inside the bus and said to conductor, any ticket you can give me whatever is the last stop. Have you done that? No. Why?
We always have to reach somewhere.
You have to reach somewhere. And if there is destination, if it is not mine, how will you go? Now, for example, you get to know your destination. Okay. And you were waiting for the bus, but bus did not turn up. And at any cost you want to reach there. What will you do?
Look for an alternative.
You will look for alternative. Maybe you will go by auto. If you don't get auto, you may ask taxi. If you're not taxi, you will ask lift to someone. If sometimes though I think, can I walk in? Just walk. But I would want to reach there. Are you getting my point? Maybe what you will do, you will cancel it today and you will do it tomorrow, but you will go there. You don't change your destination. And that is what we are talking about, performance management. Otherwise, you will keep performing. As I told you, sitting at home also you're performing. And the biggest thing what happens, all successful people, if you look at, they manage their performance. They don't get into the auto mode. Am I making sense?
Yep.
Huh? Am I making sense to all of you?
Yes.
And not only
Yes,
one
ma'am.
day, every day. They don't get into auto mode. Okay. Now people say, yes, sometimes even I feel that this is a rat race. But choice is yours, right? You want to be in corporate. you want to have a great career. Getting my point? I was, playing video game yesterday with my son, and he said, "Come, Mama, sit with me. I want to show you game." And there was some, I don't even know, PS2 or something, that game was there. And he said, "Come, I will show you my house." I said, "Wow, show me your house." And he showed me his house. What was there? There was a nice dog. There were 3-4 rooms. Then there was a swimming pool. There was a cafe in his house. Somewhere he is seeing his destination. Imaginary world. This is how my house will be. Maybe. Is there anything wrong?
No.
No. But we should know our destination. So this particular topic is going to help you not only to work effectively in your corporate, but also in your life. And knowing destination is very important. Do you agree with me, everyone?
Yeah.
Everyone? Yes?
Yes.
Yes.
Excellent. Excellent. And it can be anything. Okay. So now, for example, there is a small case. I'm going to give it to you. Okay. You can take a picture of it. Okay. I will just take a picture of it and share it in our WhatsApp group. I hope all the new joinees are there in the WhatsApp group. Yes?
Yeah.
Great. So I'm sharing this in your WhatsApp group. Great. Okay. Now, let's have a look at this particular caselet. Raman Datta is 17-year-old and is studying in St. Xavier High School. He is in 12th standard and will appear for the board examination in the science stream in March next year. He did well in his 10th boards. He aims to join one of the leading engineering colleges and specialize in IT. Last year, cutoff for the admission to the top college was 89%. Raman decided to work hard and secure at least 95% to ensure the seat in one of the prestigious college. His dad, Roshan, an HR director, asked him to draw up more comprehensive strategy. If you would have been on Raman's place to achieve the goal, what is it that you will do? Okay, now this is the case. Now I'm making a little twist here. Think that you are not Raman. Think you are his dad. Okay, and you need to help him, whatever is his goal. So right now, how many people are there in the house? 13 people are there in the house, right? I'm going to split you into groups, okay, virtually. So automatically your team will get decided. And in the team, you spend 7 minutes on this strategy and you come back. Is that fine with all of you?
Okay.
Yeah. The tip to work effectively will be there should be one person who will take down. Actually, everyone should take down notes. क्योंकि जो note लिखता है उसी की growth होती है. Okay? So take down notes, but make sure one person will be presenting. Okay? Don't waste time in पहले आप. Don't do that. Just start your discussion because 7 minutes will flew like this. If you want to have more and more activities, be focused and then don't spend time in formalities. Is that fine with all of you? Let me know. Use your reaction buttons. Yeah, great. So is there anyone who has not done, those who have not done breakout rooms earlier, for them, now you will have one message coming that host has asked you to join the breakout room. Say yes. So virtually you will get divided into 2 groups. Okay. And I will join you in that group as well. Great. All the best. Have good discussion. Welcome back. Hope you had a good brainstorming. Yes?
Yes.
Excellent. Very nice. So can we have recaps, Neha? We gave them one small caselet, which I shared it in the group, and they were working on it. Okay. So I hope you are comfortable. And from here onwards, you will be able to focus. So don't worry. These are some challenges of networking which may happen. And you will be able to see what you missed out in the recording. Okay. Great. Okay, so can we have first team to go? Maybe say Surya's team. Yes, Surya.
So like,
What are the 3 things you decided? In your team, who is the spokesperson?
Can I say?
Yes,
Sumitra,
anyone.
Rohit or Praveen, anyone?
Define and target the target of the Rohit. Analyze the previous. No, second is time management based on difficulty and setting the timetable as per the subject. And third is the monitor the progress and the growth.
Okay, what is his target?
Target.
95% of percent. Okay.
What is his target?
What is the percentage that he wants to achieve?
What is?
95.
Tell me, what is it?
Target of
95%.
95%.
Target.
95%. Absolutely. Okay.
And analyzing, adding to that first point, it is target and analysis of
Previous
performance.
performance.
Okay. So I think monitoring progress will be analysis, right?
No,
what
ma'am.
progress is after setting up this.
This is the monitoring progress will be the based on all percent 2 points.
Okay. Fine. Great. How about the other team? What is it that you have decided?
Ma'am, can I
Anyone who has decided in your team?
No, ma'am. I'm in no one's group.
Okay. Wait then. Let's come
Okay,
with second team. Do we have anyone?
Hello. Yeah, I'm from the second team.
Huh?
And I think short-term goals are necessary because it's a one-year thing. What he have to achieve 95%. The short-term goal should be given to him, and for that he should be rewarded also. And second thing is training. Proper training should be given to him. With if he need new technology, then new technology should also be included in that, and positive environment should also be given to him. And last, he should discuss about the other alternatives, what he want. I mean, if there is one thing that target is not achieved, what other thing he can do?
Okay.
That should be
Very good.
discussed.
Excellent. Very nice. Yes, Rinki, go ahead.
First, he should have a target which is to do better than what he has performed for. Second is he has to categorize which are his weak subjects and strong subjects so that he can manage the time. Next is he has to like solve previous year's paper so that he can evaluate his performance.
Okay. Good. Fine. Suppose now you think you are Raman. Okay. Like for example, we have Sneha joining quite late, and I'm very glad. Maybe I can now utilize that opportunity. Now you have gone through, Sneha, the caselet. Yes. You must have a time management. Raman, you should be in positive environment. Raman, you should get reward. Raman, solve previous papers, right? Spelling mistake is there. How many of you will get clarity on what to do?
Nobody, ma'am, until and unless there's a proper discussion and explanation as to, what is to be done, clarity won't be there.
Right? And imagine we all have got suggestions and advice like this throughout our life. You should follow time management. Like for example, you should have this. Like you should get 95% mark. And that person keeps sitting in front of you, yes. But once he wants to do it, what happens? The person says, how? Help me. ये ज्ञान मेरे पास बहुत है. Nowadays बच्चे ना, sorry, I'm speaking in Hindi, but my son always respond, मेरे पास ज्ञान बहुत है, खुद ही का नहीं संभाले जा रहा. मुझे ज्ञान मत दो. That is the world they are in. What is it that I am saying? I have lot of knowledge already. Don't try to teach me. Please tell me how. And
How,
the person
right.
who fixes how, you know, that person will have a great impact in your life. Are you getting my point?
Yes.
And only having this superficial ways of doing will never ever help. And this is the same thing happens in corporates. You know, you should stay motivated. You know, you should do this. What is the problem? I can do it. Why you can't do it? But his
Right.
problems are different. Are you getting my point?
Right.
But
Yes.
in the corporate, please understand, problem is this. In life, I don't know how you take it, but in corporate world, there will be consequences of not performing. And that can be even losing your job.
True.
Yeah. Earlier, people used to say, this is your target, go and achieve it. But over a period of time, people have realized that this will not help. What will help is a hand holding of the person. Getting my point? Like, for example, I was doing a course on a parenting very long back. And they said, you know, you always say to your child, be a good boy, be a good girl. And that person says, okay. But that person doesn't know, what do I mean by good boy? And then you say, you know, that someone's son or girl, see, he gets up early in the morning, he reads, he obeys orders. Acha, this is the definition. But by the time that person recovers the definition, 6 months are over. Are you getting my point? In the similar way, it happens at workplace. And hence, for that, we need to have a lot of clarity. And what gives you the clarity? What gives you the clarity? The best 3 Ks. The best 3 Ks of performance management system. Okay. Now we are coming to the most important thing, and that is called 3 Ks. What are those 3 Ks? What is the area I need to work on? Key result area. Now let me tell you one thing very clearly. Those who have got maybe, you know, a decades of experience also will say, we never heard about this word called KPA. And some of you might have heard about KPI. But 100% people who have worked might have heard about KRA. Because the entire focus is always on KRA and not on KPA, not on KPI. Okay. And that is what we are going to see today, how to set these KRAs. How to set it. Are you getting my point? Yes. And we will be taking 2 examples. One is from your personal life and one is from your professional life. Are you clear on this? And we are going to discuss only this today. Isn't it a beautiful thing we can do? And it will go in your DNA how to set KRAs today. Are you excited about it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So on that note, we will take a break of exactly 7 minutes. Alarm laga ke jana. 7 minutes. Okay. And we come back. Okay. Great. So move from the screen, go out, get them some sunlight, have some water, and then come back. Don't keep sitting here looking at mobile. Okay. Take a break. 7 minutes. Okay, are you back?
Yes. Yeah.
Great. Because my timer went for the toss just now because I was just pressing something and it restarted. So I have no exactly the cue that what is the time. But I hope everyone is back. Let me know in the chat box.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Excellent. Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
great. So we are going to, so I would like to take one thing that, you know, from the earlier maybe 1 hour session, what exactly is your takeaway?
Yes.
What is your takeaway?
Knowing that performance can be neutral also, it can be
Okay.
positive as well as negative.
Mm-hmm. Okay, that's good to know. How about others?
And one should know how to perform than what to perform.
Okay, very good. Both things are important, both rather.
Right.
Okay, yeah, but how is more important? Very nice. Yes, Swati?
No, I just said that both the points are correct.
Yes, thank you for that.
Both the points are right.
Okay, fine. Anyone last person who would like to share?
About performance management, how to manage the performance, or what would be the key to manage the performance?
Great, excellent. So now we will take one example, okay, and which will give you a lot of clarity on how to set the KRAs. Okay, so we will be doing, one activity, because just before that, there is certain thing which we want to know. Okay, that even though KRAs and KPAs and KPIs are there, but still there should be one goal in front of each and every one of us. Okay, one goal has to be there. Now I'm taking first example from our personal life. Like for example, what is it your goal is? What is your goal?
To work in corporate sector.
Okay, work in
currently.
corporate sector. Absolutely. Okay.
Being a financially independent.
Okay, very good. Work in corporate sector. Very good one. Being financially independent. Okay. What else? Anyone?
To make your own identity in HR domain.
To make your identity in HR. Very good. Excellent.
Work as a human resource manager in one of the reputed company.
Work as a human resource manager in one of the reputed company, right? Great. I think we have got enough. Let's work on one which is common to everyone. Okay. Who has said work as HR manager in one of the reputed company?
Ma'am, Sneha.
Okay, Sneha. So let's take this. Okay. Let's take this. And today, Sneha, we will be talking. So I'll be questioning you a lot of things. So please be open. Okay. As much as you can. Because these are the questions we will be also asking to everyone.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
So now let's consider this. Work as HR manager in a reputed company. Okay. Now the first question for you is, how do you define reputed company?
Ma'am, like top working companies in MNCs companies like Cognizant, Google.
MNCs, okay.
Wipro.
Okay. Cognizant. Okay, so I will just write MNC. Okay.
JP Morgan company in top reputed companies.
Is it Sneha speaking?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Sneha, so most of the time you have mentioned IT companies. So is that your goal to work in IT industry?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So MNCs in IT.
Yes, ma'am.
Great. Fine. What do you mean by HR manager? So I have a question for you. Okay. Suppose tomorrow if you get a job with Cognizant.
Okay.
As executive, is it okay with you?
Yes, ma'am.
So why are we saying HR manager?
Ma'am, as like I said that being a fresher, I would like to join as a HR executive
Hmm.
because I don't have any experience in human resource.
So do you want to, okay. So now,
As
for example, if I say you get a job as an executive, but in a marketing department, is
okay.
that fine with you?
Marketing, no, ma'am. I'm not okay with marketing department
Okay.
because I have done banking job in banking sector, and it was that marketing sector also. So that's why I just want to change my.
Okay. So can we say work in a HR department than a manager?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now, for example, this is where we are saying that instead of HR manager, we are making it. What is it we are making? As in HR department. Then then it can be anything. Are you getting my point? What do I
Right.
mean? Designation can be anything. Okay. So it
Okay.
is HR department, right?
Yes.
MNC. Okay. Another thing is this. Now, when do you want this job? By when you should have this job in your hand?
Ma'am, after the completion of this course.
So please let me know the timeline.
Ma'am, by January end.
Okay. So now we say here we are adding one point. That is, for example, what is it that we are saying? By
January end.
January 2021.
Yes,
Am
ma'am.
I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now you get a job in Cognizant in the department of HR. Okay. At 10,000 rupees.
Okay.
Is that fine with you?
No, ma'am.
So what is your expectation minimum?
Ma'am, my expectation is at least 3 lakh per annum.
Okay. Great. And you get a job in Orissa. The posting will be in Orissa. Is that okay with you?
Yes, ma'am.
So location is not a constraint? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Great. So now if you have to redefine and rewrite this statement, how will you write? Others can also write a statement and let her know if you have, but just let her take more time. Yes, Neha.
Working in HR department.
I want to work. That's your goal.
Okay. I want to work in HR department in one of the. No, not in one of the. In a MNC company, Cognizant
Yeah,
company.
you can say in one of the MNCs.
Okay. I want to work in HR department in one of the reputed company.
No. Reputed we have redefined, right?
Okay.
What is the reputation? For you, you defined reputation as MNC, right?
MNC, right.
You did not say Indian company.
I want to work in HR department in MNC.
Huh?
By January 2021.
Huh?
At 3 lakh per annum.
Okay. At any location.
At any location.
How are you sounding now this goal? How this goal is sounding than the earlier goal?
This sounds good.
This gives you more clarity? Is it giving you more clarity?
Yes, ma'am.
And clarity is a power.
Yes.
Most of the time, now for example, this is called, when my mentor taught me this, he said very nice word. You know what is this? He said this is called the golden statement in your life. It has to be in your front of your eyes all the time. This is my goal.
Yes, ma'am.
And now if any Indian company offers you a job of 4 lakhs, you will not go. Dil dole, mera man dole. Huh? So that should not happen.
Ma'am, this was my minimum requirement.
See, that's what I'm saying. So
Huh.
what I'm trying to say is no problem, but at least you will get lot of clarity. Getting my point?
Yes,
And
ma'am.
in this, what is most important right now I can make out for you is this now. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
So if we have to restart your goal statement, we will say in a very different way. What is that statement will be that I want to work in HR department. And during interviews also you go and say managers. That's my career objective. And that is where, people will not look at you in a right way because you're designation oriented and you're not role and profile oriented.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
never ever say that this is what is your goal.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? HR department in MNC, in one of the MNCs, that is also fine, MNCs, by January 2021, worth or maybe payment at 3 lakhs per annum. Am I right? So this is what becomes your goal. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
I hope everyone gets it. Oh, controls and hope so. Yes. I hope everyone gets it. Yes? And now find out now I want to be financially independent. What is it that you want in financial independence? What will make you financially independent? And when you want to be financially independent? And what we have done right now is called SMART. What is it? SMART, SMART goal setting. That means SMART is S stands for specific, M stands for measurable, A stands for attainable, R stands for relatable, and T stands for time bound. Because anything which you want to achieve or a goal, if there is no time, then that is not a goal. Am I making sense? Okay, now only thing is this, my question mark will be, is it attainable or is it too optimistic? That means what is your experience, Neha, right now?
Ma'am, I have experience in banking sector of 1.5 years.
1.5 years. What is the knowledge you have it in HR?
30 to 40%.
30 to 40%. Okay. What is the companies like will Cognizant will look for when they want to hire you?
Ma'am, with full accurate knowledge.
Okay, fine. So is it achievable to have it by January 2021? That is exactly 1 month down the line.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, how about others? What do you think?
Yes.
Is it achievable or is it too optimistic?
I'm too optimistic.
Too optimistic. Okay.
Post-wise, it will be a bit tough.
Yes, yes. Maybe right now the situation outside is very different. This might have been possible maybe last year or something. So what will you suggest her? What should be the timeline to achieve this?
Between Feb to June.
Okay, so at least you should have a 6 months time for this. That is what expert says.
Yes,
Now, Sneha, it is your call to decide, okay? So that is perfectly all right for you. Okay, you can take a call later anytime you want. So now this is called SMART. Can you all make your goal SMART? Everyone. Like someone has said, work in corporate sector. क्या करना है corporate sector में? कब चाहिए? What is the salary you're expecting? Who said work in corporate sector?
Not me.
Yeah, good. So again, please tell, I'm giving you this individual activity right now. Okay, I'm giving you 7 minutes time to work on your goal. Is that fine with all of you? Your personal, professional, weight management, finance management, job management, any kind of goal you can have. But 7 minutes you need to make your goal SMART. Can you all do that? Yes, 7 minutes.
Yes, ma'am.
Haan, Sneha.
I'm like, what we have to write in goal management?
Can anyone explain it to her, please?
Like, what is your goal, and by when you are trying to achieve that goal?
So now, for example, Sneha, thank you, Praveen, for that, right? Understand, you can take any goal right now, other than right now, one goal we have taken yours, am I right?
Yes.
And we have made it SMART, specific, measurable, attainable or achievable, relatable, and time bound. You can take any other goal and make a goal statement of yours. And for that, I'm giving you 7 minutes time. You have to keep on asking these questions to yourself. The words reputed, the words better, the word good is a dead word. It has got no meaning. So be specific. Is it fine with all of you?
Yes.
So your time, some people have already started working. 6 minutes, I'm giving it to you and time starts now.